What's happening? What's happening? 392 Blurred Lines coming right back at you with another video. First time coming to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you've been rocking with me, you know how we do it. Tell you right quick, fast and in a hurry. Go ahead and get your little snack. Meet me right back. But today, being Friday night actually, I happen to make it back out in the garage. Yeah, same day. I can't sit in the house all night. It must be around 9 o'clock in the evening, and I gotta come out in the garage and I gotta get something done. Hey, that Red Bull got me ready to go. So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and I want to get these headers put back on. As you know, I got my gaskets. Gaskets coming in the mail today. Nope, yesterday. And there's something that has to be done to these gaskets. Now, this is the way they come. As you can see, this part would be down at the bottom. But what I have to do, I'm going to take these pieces and cut them out, because this actually is turned around on the header. So I'm going to have to turn it around. It will mount like this. If you take a look down inside here in the engine bay, see if I can't get you to where you can see that. If you will take a look, this is at the top and the two are at the bottom. With these here, the two are at the top and this one's at the bottom. So I will be cutting these extra pieces off, and then I will be turning it around and putting it on that way. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to go ahead and we're going to take these out of the package. We're going to cut these pieces off, and we're going to see if we can't get these headers put right back on this small block 360. All right, let us go ahead and get you set up and you can see what we got going on. All right, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and get these out of the package, and we're going to go ahead and see if we can't get these little extensions cut off, because they aren't needed. So we're going to see if we can get them cut off, and I will be using a pair of tin snips, because if I'm not mistaken, these are made out of some kind of a metal, so I'm going to need something to cut them, and this is going to be the best thing to cut them. I figure it's metal. Tin snips. Let's see what happens. Metal. What we got here? Whoa, boys and girls, look at there. Got me a gasket sticker. Yes, indeedy. Now, a lot of people put these stickers all over their high rods. I'm not going to do that. I might put them inside the trunk lid. I don't know. I got so many of them. Hard telling what I'm going to do with them, but I'm not going to put them all over the car. That's just not going to happen. Okay, let's see how these things, how they cut. I hope they cut fairly easy. Oh, like butter. Like butter. Well, can't send them back now. These babies cut like butter. And that's how they will go on in that shape. Just like so. Hallelujah. Ooh, that feels better. Okay. So, let's see if we can't get this side put in first. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove my steering rod, the steering shaft, to get it out of the way. It'd probably make it a lot easier for me to put these headers down in here with this out of the way. It should make it easier. I'm not exactly sure which one I took out first, which one goes in first. I'm going to just wing it. So first though, we're going to, I think so that's the thing about putting this up on these stands. It's going to make it harder for me to reach down up over. You know what? I can go right through the front and take that loose. Pull that right out. And get him out of the way. Now, we'll start with what tube we want to start with. Probably the one back in the back. Start with this one first. One furthest away. Take this bolt out. We'll be sure to pull out the plastic bag. That's the one for that one. Okay. That one goes there. Okay. I think I'm going to see if I can clean a little bit of this sticky stuff off of here, wipe them down before I put them on. We're using some super strength mean green to see if that works. Took that stuff right, that sticky stuff right off. All right. So, first gasket fits perfectly like a glove. Take this, go through here, make 4. Let's see here what we got going on. Must be how she went. This ought to be interesting. Considering I ain't got but 2 hands. Both. And gasket. Oh yes, this is going to be interesting. Let's do this. Okay, that lets me know I may have to open up those holes a little bit. Yep. Yep. Looks like a little more modifications going on here. So, boys and girls, that is something that has to be done. You have to, that one fits fine, that one doesn't. So, I'm going to get the old Dremel, and I'm just going to go in there and I'm going to open that hole up a little bit, because that's what needs to be done on some of them evidently. Fits fine in that one, but on that one, it needs to be opened up. So I probably ought to take a look at the others before I get to that point. That fits, that fits, that fits. Nope, and that one fits. So we have two that needs to be opened up with the Dremel. So let me get that and take care of it. A little bit more. She goes, but we wanted to go without forcing it. I have the Dremel turned down nice and low as I'm opening up that hole. Try it again. And as I ream this out a little bit with the Dremel, as you can see, I am wiping it off to make sure that there are no shavings, no particles or anything like that on these before putting them down by those ports. I don't want to take a chance with nothing getting inside there. So I'm gonna put the bolt in first, and then we'll put gasket in its place, and we'll see if we can't get this down in here and get one of them started. Interesting. I was scratching everything up. Let's see how did I get that down here last time. I think I must have went through here. Exactly how I did it. It's a puzzle. I've never done it before, so it's a puzzle to me too. Get one boat started, and it should go fairly easy after that. I said it should. started. Spin them around here. See if we can get the other one started. There we go. One of those feel things, you gotta feel for it. There we go. Oh. Oh, he's a bear. He's a bear. He is a bear. Let me see here. Let me see if I can get a little help. 3/8. That's a 3/8. A beautiful spot, isn't he? He's in a beautiful spot. If I can take this one down a little bit more. I want to keep him a little bit loose so I can do a little maneuvering at the bottom when I got to hook all four of them up together down there at the bottom. Okay. Now let me see if I can get up here and get a finger or two on it. There we go. Oh boy, make a finger sore. That's what's doggone sure. I can get down here from the backside of it. Probably not. It probably would have been so much easier if I had took this rod completely out of here and trying to keep it in. But look at this. Just look at this Mickey Mouse stuff. Wow, this is, oh boy, this is a rough one. I thought this was going to be easier than this. Y'all going to have to bear with me because this, man, I should have left this car down low, but I got to get up under it anyway. If it was down lower, I wouldn't have so much trouble trying to get up there to it, but I'm trying to lean up over this fender, and this fender is quite high. Wait a minute, now I got something better than that chair, and I got a footstool here. Oh, look out, that is all I needed. That's all I needed. Yeah, that was all I needed. I just had the wrong stuff. The chair is nothing to be trying to stand on to do this job. Okay, that's much better. All right, we doing something now. We doing something now. All right, now we're gonna see if we can't get the middle one in. Take those out of there. Take those screws out. Of course, I started doing the hardest side first. Other side doesn't have that bar in it. That steering rod on the other side is on this side, so I did decide to do the hardest side first. So, I guess that's all right. Now, that there is going to go right there, just like Like so, the hose line up so perfectly. That's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. Let's get the middle one. And once again, we're gonna spray a little cleaner on there to clean that sticky stuff off. I can either clean it off or burn it off. I choose to try to clean it off. All right. All right, now this one. Let's see how we got going on up in here. Started, and we'll swing it on up in there like so. Get the next one in there. Right there. Last one started. All right. Now we got one more to put on. I'm gonna take you guys down on the bottom side to see what it looks like so far as the 4 that are coming together right now. 3 of them should be together. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check this out. Let's see what it looks like. Then we're gonna put the number 4th in, and then we're gonna put the section on that brings all 4 into one. So I'm gonna bring you down here and let you see what we got going on. Okay, as you can see, we're coming down and we're bringing all of them in to where all 4 will hook up together. Now the last one will come back here, and then we'll slide on the section that puts all 4 of these together. We'll put the screws in that hold them together, and we'll just keep on moving from there. Okay, and this is the last one. Oh, I still need to ream that last one out. There was 2 of them that had 2 holes that need to be reamed. This was the other one for that particular side. So we'll do that real quick. That one fit fine, but this one didn't. So we'll go ahead and ream that one out. that fits perfectly. All right. Last one. Pull that bag out of here. I know somebody probably thought I was gonna forget that in there, but no. All right. Now this here, let's find out exactly where the steering rod sits. Oh, so this is all going to be on the side of it. Bolt in there. Get it started. Spin this side up. We can get that brought up to where it's supposed to be. So that we can work with this on the bottom side. Get you set up. So what we're going to be doing here, we're going to be mating up this section here, this section here with the four that just come down through. Okay, there we go. All right, up on there. Now we will take screws, one here on this side, and we have one on the opposite side. Get on there. That made it easier. Turn it from that part of the screw. Okay, now we got one on the other side. Which is right here. I'll run that through. Just set up so you can see what's going on here. Probably not. Probably not. But maybe you can. I don't know. I can't see it, so maybe you can. I'm just going by feeling. I can't see it either. But must have forgotten it. Okay, now we'll get a wrench and we will snug that up. Let's see. see, what size is it? Up 7/16. Okay. Probably should have gotten an extension. Oh, I can get it from here. Okay. Let's see if we can go back here and grab hold of this part. Maybe. And here. Couldn't see that side, but it feels as though it's tight. Now we'll do this side here. I can at least see this one. Which makes it easier. Maybe. Alright, well, that seemed to be as far as she'll go according to right here, so I'm not going to try to tighten it any further than that. It is what it is, where it is. Now we'll go up on top, tighten the bolts up top, and then we'll come back down. Of course, I am already here. I could go ahead and hook up this section right here. Since I am here, don't have to tighten it down, but I can go ahead and hook it up. So half the job is done pretty much after I tighten it up up at the head. Well, look at this Mickey Mouse mess. Now, they mess with me, I'll get some scissors or a knife and I'll just cut this string because it ain't like I need it. Okay. Now, let's see if we can't get this hooked up here. Take this back loose. Does take a little finagling. I think I got it. That's it. I got it. Tell you what, that boy, he takes some finagling. Okay, I won't tighten it too tight because I still have to adjust it. So we're going to leave it a little bit loose so that I can adjust it. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to tighten down up top, up at the head, and then I'll come back down. I'll tighten up that section right there. But first we're going to do the section at the head first. have put some anti-seize on those. But right now I'm just going to snug them down, and I may go back and take one out, take the bolts out individually and put some anti-seize on those. I don't think I need to. If you think I need to, jot it down in the comments. But I don't think I need to. I don't know. First time I ever had headers. I don't know. So, jot it down in the comments. Let me know. But for now, I'm just going to snug them down. Alright, let me get my stool. Make it a little easier on myself. Start tightening this back a little bit. Start snugging him down. See, I got this line lock right here in the way, affecting my swing ability. Oh, that right there ain't too bad. Yeah, that ain't too bad at all right there. Alright. Alright. That box in on it. See if we can get some swing. Alright, alright. Yes, indeed. That's tough right there. That's a rough one to get anything on him because of his possession. That's part of the game right there, boy. That right there is part of the game being played. Yeah, I can't really get on him like I want to get the full spectrum on him, but I know what I can get in there with that. Do a little something for it. Should be able to get up in there with this little baby crescent wrench. That ought to allow me to get a little bit more swing, maybe. I don't know. All right. Now I'm gonna get back down here on the bottom, tighten up those two long bolts, and I'm gonna call that side done. And you guys get the gist as to what's going on. You guys get the gist as to what is going on out here on this Friday night. Get my light down. You see, I gotta go through all these hoops. I gotta jump hoops. Jump through all the hoops to make something happen out here. But I ain't got a problem with that. Because we trying to get Operation Dart up and running. And if you guys just hang out with me, we gonna do this thing together. Late nights. Oh, look out now. Don't mess with me. I'll be getting another Red Bull up out the fridge. All right, let me get you guys set up here. I'm not gonna tighten this up yet completely because this here, I might have to spin it to level the pipes out as far as how they're sitting. So I'm not gonna tighten that up all the way. Plus, I'll probably have this up at the top, spin it completely all the way around. Let me show you what I'm talking about here. Of course, you probably know what I'm talking about. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. I'll go back. I may do it like that. That way I can get the boat from here. But I may put it on the inside. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with it yet. Well, we'll leave it like that for now. And we'll concentrate on trying to get the other side done, because I still have yet the other side to do. And I want to get it done tonight. So, we're going to move on to the other side so we can get that part done. All right. I think we got it all taken care of for tonight. I did get the headers put on. I did get that accomplished, which I'm glad about. I wanted to get that part of this done this evening, and I did get that done. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys where we're at here. Got my headers on, got the exhaust system all hooked back up, and got it sitting or leveled out where I want it to sit permanently. So I did go ahead and tighten everything down, and I think it's gonna be just fine. I think it looks good. I'm well pleased with the turnout, and so we're gonna turn you around. We're gonna show you what the master fabricator did up in PA. Okay, so here we have a set of fabbed headers, 1 7/8 in diameter. Come out real nice. Got a nice close fit. Get that there, cord out of the way. Nice close fit. Everything looking real good. Nice close fit. 1 7/8. All right, let's go up under the bottom side and show you what we're working with. Okay. All right. So as you see, making a little noise in there. That's all right. So you come on down with it. Put those attachments there to snug it up. And went on down to the pretty much right before the rear end, probably about, I'm gonna say 2.5 foot, if not 3 foot from the rear end. I'm gonna go to the back and show you from the back side as to how she looks. All right, I did put that light there right in the way, didn't I? Okay, I did put that light right in the way. But she, like I said, that must be maybe 2.5 foot from the back or from the rear end. But she turned out real nice. It's hard to see, ain't a whole lot of light under here, but you get the gist of it. It's definitely hard to see with that light blaring and glaring. But she turned out real nice. I didn't want the exhaust to come, well, to stop too short. But I wanted it to be a little bit away from me. It's gonna be loud enough. So we're gonna leave it there. We're gonna shut her down right there. It's been a long evening. It must be close to midnight. I come out here about 9, close to midnight. But I did get it done, and that was my goal. So with all that being said and done, we're gonna shut this thing down right here, and we're gonna go in the crib, and we're gonna try to get a little bit of rest, because there's another day coming. And there's some things that I want to get done tomorrow. Maybe I'll take the little babies to see a movie. And after that, then it's time for me to come back out in the garage. So, with all that being said and done, I'm gonna shut this thing off right here. Hey, it's your first time coming to the channel. Welcome to the channel. For everybody that's been rocking with me, appreciate you. Appreciate all you new viewers as well. And if you get a chance, go back and take a look at some of the previous videos, and like what you see, hit the like button. And we're just gonna keep it moving. With all that being said and done, 392 blurred lines coming at you. Peace out.